G'day, I'm Rick from pureLiFi, and today I'm going to be unboxing our current Li-Fi system, the Li-Fi-XC. The Li-Fi-XC system comprises of two components: the station, which acts as the user device, and the access point, which acts as the network router. The Li-Fi-XC system all begins with an LED luminaire transmitting a downlink signal to the receiver window of the station. The station will in turn send an uplink signal via IR to the receiver window of the AP. This bidirectional communication allows for a line rate speed of 43 megabits per second. Typically, users will experience optimum speeds of between 35 megabits per second at 1 to 2 meters. So here we have the station box. Simply remove the sleeve, open it up, and you'll see a USB 2.0 dongle. There are three components here to be aware of. The receiver window is this blue square. This receives the downlink from the LED luminaire. The larger round window provides an IR uplink signal to the access point, and the smaller LED status window provides information of whether connectivity is achieved or not. Simply remove your station. You'll also see a blue card. If you lift this up, you'll see a USB pin drive. This contains the user manuals, the drivers for the station, and also the virtual management system required to configure your Li-Fi network. So here we have the access point box. Again, simply remove the sleeve. Underneath, you'll be first exposed to an access point and funnel. I'll talk about this shortly. We also have the TX driver. We have the AP to TX cable. We have the AP funnel, a below ceiling mounting bracket, a TX driver mounting bracket, and two connectors. Here is the access point. In the top corner you'll see an IR window which is responsible for receiving the uplink from the station, a small reset button, and an LED status light. On the side you'll see multiple connection ports, starting here with the AP to TX driver port, 0 to 10 volt control port, RJ45 Ethernet port, DC power supply in, and daily connection. What's important to note is that the access point can accept 8 simultaneous connections from 8 separate stations. In a typical setup, the AP and luminaire will be positioned side by side like this, pointing in the same direction. There are two mounting options available for the AP, using the holes on the back for a below ceiling mount, or alternatively using an above ceiling mount using the bracket supplied. Simply insert the AP into the bracket, ensuring that the window is positioned forward, and then sandwich the funnel from the other side of the tile. Here we have a typical LED luminaire. The Li-Fi system is LED agnostic and will work with a variety of fixtures. You'll see here that I've pre-terminated the connector from the kit supplied. Here we have the TX driver. This is responsible for power modulation of the signal. Simply plug into the green connector on the luminaire. Source the AP to TX cable. Plug it into the back of the TX driver. And then plug the other end of the cable into the back of the AP. Once all those connections are secure and firm, you are now ready to power up the device. The device can be powered by Power Ethernet Plus, UPoE, or alternatively a DC power supply. Our Li-Fi system is a fully certified, fully networked wireless communication device which provides bi-directional connectivity using LED lights. Users will experience seamless handover as they move from one light to another. Additional capacity can also be added wherever Li-Fi connectivity is required by simply adding access points in that area.